everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the NFT updates from the Phala NFT mint to the Paraspace, the NFT lending and borrowing protocol. Their testnet will be alive very soon after a few hours. So I'm going to go over that and I will demo in the future. And so for the Phala world, now their unlimited mint has opened and there's only 1 day left for this unlimited mint. You can go to the Phala world link, their app, and now you can mint as many as you can. And so some of you may notice, like, to mint you need the Phala, and I don't have enough Phala because you need 500. So you can go to Parallel Finance, go to the Parallel Hackle, and swap some Para token here. So I'm going to swap, get 500 Para token because 500 is the minimum that you can mint one NFT. And so I'm going to just swap that. Now after it's done, you get the Phala. Oh, actually I have enough Phala, but it's okay. And so now go to the cross chain, and then you can send the Phala token from the Heiko to the Kana parachain. So make sure send it to the Kana because that's the one like they are going to use for the mint. Now go to the pre-order, and my previous video I'm going to post a link as well. I talk about all the details about those species, and so you just choose a species and choose a career you want. For example, they have hacker, that's for the coding, right? If you want to use warrior, normally that's for like how many Phala you hold in your wallet. So I'm going to mint this one this time, and just confirm it's going to cost 500 Phala. Now it's done, so I get the new share and go to the profile where you can see all of your share. Right now I have two. One is AI, another one is XGene. And don't forget to also get some more energy because there will be more choices on the NFT equipment. And so to do that, go to the profile. There's an invite friends. I'm going to post the link as well. If you don't have any referral link, you are welcome to use this one. I really appreciate it if you do, and you can create it and share with others. Now let's go ahead to share the Paraspace. So the Paraspace, their testnet will be alive very soon, and so after a few hours actually. So the testnet, the Paraspace testnet will be on Algorand network, and then there are different tasks you can do, and you will get different NFT. And so it will start on November 14th, 10 a.m. ET time, and it will last for 2 weeks. So don't worry, you do have enough time to finish the task. For most of the NFT, you can get them, and the registration will be on the Gorshi.com. And so the settler is special, that it's limited to 200 units. The others, for example, this is a traveler. So traveler is unlimited. All of you should be able to get it if you finish the task. So like follow the Twitter, retweet, those kind of things. The explorer is also unlimited. What you should do is go to the Paraspace website and supply the test token. Try the different features on the website, like borrow, lend, supply, those kind of things. Settler is a rarest, so this one there's limited number of NFT. There are only 200, and so 50 of them will be the one who provide the most valuable feedback. 50 will be the selected from a series of community events, and 100 will be the one who invited the most new people to receive the traveler role. So basically you just invite people to join the Discord, and if they get the traveler role, then it will be counted as one. So the top 100. And so it will start on November 14th, 10 a.m. ET time again. And this is the sneak peek about the Paraspace, the website, the beta version. You can see here you can supply the NFT, you can supply the ERC20 token. They also have the NFT pay later feature, which you can buy NFT with credit, so you don't really need to spend your NFT. And they also have the liquidation to show you the health factor and those kind of things. Of course, right now it's on the testnet, so there's no real liquidation. So that's overall about today's video. Just go over the Phala NFT mint. There's only one more day, and if those like NFT from the Phala, if they are not minted, they will get burned. So I think that's also good if they didn't get minted. And then Paraspace will be started, the testnet will be started soon, so don't miss this opportunity. I'm going to post all the links below the video so all of you can check it by yourself. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.